If you want your windows clean, you may also want your tracks cleaned. That is a separate service, and they do charge more for that, but it is worth it. If you have dirty tracks, they'll bring a hard bristle brush and scrub out the tracks. Then they'll take the vacuum cleaner and suck it all out and make those tracks look really nice. So a lot of times when you do have your windows cleaned, do ask for that extra service. They do charge more for it, but it is worth it because it'll make everything just look perfect when they're done. And having your tracks cleaned is a great way to have your windows slide smoothly, as well as your sliding glass doors. A lot of times we'll get to windows or sliding glass doors that have a very hard time opening and closing. And just simply having the tracks cleaned on a regular basis will solve that problem. So I'm driving down the street and I see these companies, these cleaning companies, and they're in rusty vans. The people in them are not kept up very well. They have just a phone number and saying the service that they offer, and that's it. But nothing about the van is professional, or the truck, or whatever they're driving. It's really important when you hire a company to come work for you, do some work for you, window cleaning or any type of cleaning otherwise. Of course, they need to be uniformed, but also their vehicles. The vehicles of the company that you hire should look good. They should be professional. They should have graphics on them. They should have lettering explaining exactly what that company offers. You should have no question whatsoever who is showing up at your door, who is knocking on your door, and who is doing the work for you. Company vehicles, company image is a must. If they care about their image, they're going to care about your image. So you're going to pressure wash your own driveway. And you find when you get the power washer, it has 5 different tips. Each of those tips do different things. The black one is what you need for getting the degreaser on your driveway. The yellow one is what you need for general power washing. The green one will do a high power pressure washing. The red one I would not use because that will dig a hole in your concrete. The reason you want to use the black tip for pressure washing is it allows a lot of water flow at very low pressure, but you don't need a lot of pressure when you're putting the degreaser onto the concrete. So when you put the black tip on, it will allow the chemical to go through into your hose, and that's the only tip that actually will allow the chemical to go on the concrete. With the other tips, the yellow and the green, those are the ones that you want to use to actually take the degreaser off as well as the oil off your driveway. So that is what you use the tips for the power washing. Good luck. So if you like what you've seen and you want to learn more, go to my website, jjwindowwash.com.